Hi and welcome to this live currency strength indicator table video with me, John, on Thursday the 27th of April. Here you can see we have our currency strength indicator tables in front of us, and today they are telling us to stick with Euro Aussie to the upside. Now, in yesterday's video update, if you haven't caught it yet, then go back and watch it, because we show you how to identify a pre-signal and a confirmed signal using the tables. We featured Euro Aussie and talked about being long from the 21st of April around about 5 p.m. and if you were long at that point, price has moved 300 to 400 pips in your direction to the upside. So we are looking to see if price will continue that momentum. We talked about how you can stick with a currency pair as well whilst you're in that position, due to the fact that it remains on the tables. Now, obviously, Euro Aussie is still on the table, so it's telling us that we should continue to be looking for long opportunities until it fades away really from the day traders table. That's when we need to reconsider if we should be long in this currency pair. Now, at the moment, I'm on the hourly time frame. The reason I'm down on the hourly is because I wanted to show you that I'm looking for lower time frame entries, because we're close to an area of resistance, and that area of resistance is just here at the 1.68 handle. What I want to see is price target this 1.68 or even move beyond it, because it's a key high on Euro Aussie. Now you can see on this hourly time frame as well, price is starting to just pull back slightly, so I want to be looking to see if there's entries at possible areas of support. Now I do have this zone down here. I've got like a 30 pip zone going on where the 1.6575 handle rests, and the 1.66 handle just through here. So this was my first zone of interest. This is the zone that I pointed out just in case price was to pull back into here. We could look for opportunities up to that 1.68 handle. Alternatively, I'm looking at this hourly time frame, so you can see I've got a trend line running through here. But just zoom out slightly, I've got a trend line running through which comes down from these lows on the 20th of April. It touches in at the 26th of April, the lows on the 26th of April, and it then spans out higher. So I'm watching this area here as a potential retest area. What I'm looking for essentially is for price to maybe reject this minor trend line coming down, maybe reject these lows in here, come down to our trend line. I've also got a 50 moving average here on the hourly, which we've talked about in previous videos. So that area there, I'm targeting for a potential move up to the 1.68 handle. Okay, so that's something I'm going to be looking at if price was to do that. Now the tables are telling me that the momentum in the market is with Euro Aussie to the upside. So if price doesn't pull back, it's not going to be too much of a shock to us, I don't think. I think if price doesn't pull back, it could just continue higher. So my second thought process for this is if actually price comes up to these previous highs here and then pulls back slightly, you can see these lows in there could act as support, and that's around about the 1.67 handle. So I'd be looking for a bit of a move, something like this, to potentially occur as well on this lower time frame. But keep in mind that I want to be buying a little bit lower just because it increases that reward to risk ratio. Okay, so keep an eye on Euro Aussie down towards this 50 moving average. Put the 50 moving average on your chart and just monitor how price is working with that. I also like the opportunity on Euro Kiwi as well. Euro Kiwi is featured on the tables. We did say, if you know, Euro Kiwi essentially was on the table before Euro Aussie featured, and prices moved quite aggressively to the upside since then. So if we look at the weekly time frame first, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. I like the weekly time frame. We have broken this 1.7950 handle, which does open the door to a move up to the 1.82. However, if we look at it from a daily time frame, you know, we need to see if that momentum continues really. Now, one thing that we can look at is the 4 hour. You can see that we've got this developing upward trend here. Market's making higher highs and higher lows. I've got trend line support running through here as well. So I think the next key area is this 1.7950. We've got previous structure highs in there, and I think that's going to be an area where we could get a decent retest on price. Now if I go to the hourly time frame again, you can see that I've got the 50 moving average running through there, as well as the trend line support, as well as the horizontal support. So I'm looking to see if price will come in and around this area, and then maybe we could look for continuations to the upside there. This one's a little bit more riskier than Euro Aussie in my opinion, because this one has already broken through the support or the resistance highs. Okay, so that one's to me a little bit more of a riskier opportunity. However, we're still featured on the tables. Kiwi's still the third weakest here and top on the trend traders table. So as long as that remains like that, what I would like to see is this Kiwi starting to bump back up the table a little bit. That would give us the opportunity to continue to trade that move higher. So I'm gonna leave it there. I hope you enjoyed the video update, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.